Today we would like to introduce you to the Gibam Composit Configurator, the most innovative and fastest 3D configuration system for retail projects. This is the configuration system of Gibam Composit's e-business platform that allows you to create and order online in a simple and effective way the wide range of furniture designed and produced by Gibam for retail and suitable for every kind of store and supermarket. But how does this platform work exactly? First, you need to log in to the gibamcomposit.com website, entering your email and password. Now we are ready. Let's start creating our composition. It's very simple. Let's choose a product line, in this case the M22.02 series, and name our composition like this. The configurator interface will open. Are you ready? Now, let's choose in which setting to design our composition. We start dragging the components. Let's drag the back panel first, like this. We should create a display wall element to be placed in a pharmacy. Let's find out immediately how intuitive and extremely precise this tool is. Let's add to the back panel the accessories available by clicking on the cube icon in the bar above. In this case, a backlit frame, shelves, and a base box. The plus is that the configurator only offers accessories that are compatible with the element being created, minimizing the possibility of making mistakes. Useful, isn't it? Now, just choose the finishes of the components by clicking on the palette icon. This new 3D version is very fast, both to load the products and to drag the elements, immediately showing the insertion points. We could enrich the composition by dragging another element. We can move it, delete it. We could even click on Add section to create multiple compositions simultaneously on a single open page of the configurator. Or we could duplicate the element, like this. Easy, isn't it? Now our composition is finished. Let's conclude by clicking on the End button. We will see the list of inserted components with prices. What if, once finished the composition, we would like to make changes? Just click on Edit. Go back to the composition, edit it. In this case, we change the color of the shelf, and then end it again. Very simple, isn't it? And I'd also say rather intuitive. If now we click on the image, we can even download it and insert it in a possible presentation. We show you how. This will make your presentation more professional in one click. And there's more. Once finished, we can find our composition in our reserved area, where all our projects are automatically saved. The Settings command will allow us to rename, view, move, duplicate, share, and finally delete it. Or we can proceed with the purchase by adding it to the cart. Clearly, the system allows us to place different compositions or lists of codes at the same time, placing the order in a single solution with the Order button. Finally, choose Packaging, Transport, and Payment method. That's it. This system allows us to work in a super organized way, keeping track of everything we do. By clicking on Confirmation, the order becomes effective. Now we can see an image that includes and shows the display wall element we've first configured and then ordered. Do you need to furnish a shop? Are you looking for a unique and revolutionary system that can help you optimize your time, guaranteeing more professional organization and results? The configurator is the tool for you. To see all its features, visit the website gibamcomposit.com or connect to Gibam Composit YouTube page and watch carefully all our tutorials.